Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie turtle. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie turtle, let's begin by drawing the eye. I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make a circle for the eye. And then right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then come back in for a little detail underneath the eye. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down for the eyebrow. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down for the top of the head. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up, down, and then up. I'm going to make this line come down. Then I'm going to go up, and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line over and then up. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to go up and down for the other side of the mouth. And then I'm just going to color this part in real quick, just so we can kind of see the inside of the mouth. And I'll put a little curve right here. And I'll also make a little dot for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line down. And then I'm going to draw this line down and connect. Starting here, we're going to curve this line across. And then right here, I'm going to bring this up. We're going to go down and then connect it here for the shell. Now for the shell, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to make a few little bumps in here like this, and then bring it up. And then I'm going to bring this back down. Next, I'm going to make a few little bumps in here. Now let's work on the legs. I'm going to begin here by drawing a line that's going to come down. I'm going to come over and then bring it up. I'll do another one here. I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring this over and then up just a little bit. I'll make a couple little bumps inside of here and then bring it up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. I'm going to put a couple zigzag lines and then bring it up. I'm going to make two lines that come down. And then I'm going to draw two little bumps in here so it looks like there's a bone sticking out. Now for the tail, I'm going to draw a line that comes out. I'll put a couple bumps and I'll come out to a point and then bring it back. Next, I'm going to draw two little lines here and two lines here for the toes. Then I'm going to make two lines that come down here and a curve right across. Now for some details, I'm going to add a little hashtag mark right here on the leg. I'm going to make a couple little bumps right here on the neck. And then a line here with a couple little lines on here for like a little stitch. And there you go, there is your drawing of a zombie turtle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.